is included in the Iron Edison solar battery system design process. Here at Iron Edison Battery Company, we are excited to connect with you and learn more about your project to help start your free system design. To ensure you understand what to expect when working with us, we've outlined a brief overview of our typical system design process. Discovery call. The introductory call is where we start to learn details about your property, your basic energy loads, what your goals are, and any personal preferences for us to be aware of. Load analysis. This process can differ if you are connected to the utility grid and if you're just looking for some level of backup power, or if you are looking to plan a completely off-grid system. In either case, we complete a detailed load analysis to determine how much power and energy storage will be needed for your solar battery system. To simplify this step for you, Iron Edison will provide you with a solar load calculator tool that will help you determine your system's baseline requirements. Inverter selection. Based on your overall kilowatt energy needs, we will identify which inverter will be the best option for you. Battery sizing. Based on the calculated energy capacity in kilowatt hours that's needed to support your backed up loads, we will help you select the appropriate size that will cover your needs and is compatible with the rest of your system. Solar PV design. Regardless if you are looking to install the solar panels on a roof or a ground mount, we will evaluate your property with state-of-the-art design software. Our software enables us to perform precise shade analysis and performance simulation to determine the optimal output of panels and the specific layout for your needs. Final touches. Once we have all of the major components identified, we will finalize all the small details such as how many panels should be strung together and any small components needed to complete the system. We really look forward to speaking with you and learning more about your upcoming project. Whenever you get a free moment, please use the link below to schedule a discovery call with one of our system design specialists. You can also reach out to our team at 720-432-6433. We appreciate you working with Iron Edison and are always happy to answer any questions you have.